Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to unbox and give a review of soft spun microfiber cloth which I have ordered from Amazon.in. Open the box, we get some paperwork and we get our 4-piece microfiber cloth. The packaging was not so good, but in this price it is fair. All the specifications of the cloth are mentioned on the card. On the back, there are some more specifications of our product and its company. As we open it, we get 4 microfiber cloths. You can use them for cleaning multiple areas of your car. The product comes with a thank you card, which is kind of an appreciable thing. The cloths are very smooth in touch and they are going to prevent any type of scratches on your car. The size of the cloth is 14 to 40 centimeters with 340 GSM.